Hey guys, I've just received my voter ID. The curious thing is I've received my voter ID on the occasion of National Voters Day. And this is very, a kind of a coincidence you can say. So in this video I'll be showing you what are the contents inside this letter, what the Election Commission of India provides along with the voter ID card. I'm very excited to open it, by the way. There is a voter ID card, as you can see. Along with it, a voter guide providing information about how to vote, what is the importance of vote, and also some precautions regarding COVID-19. There is also a certificate, a letter from the district election officer congratulating me that I got a EPIC ID, the elector's photo identity card. Also, there is a elector's pledge. I'll just read it out for you. We, the citizens of India, having abiding faith in democracy, hereby pledge to uphold the democratic traditions of our country, a dignity of free, fair and peaceful elections, and to vote in every elections fearlessly and without being influenced by religion, race, caste, community and any inducement. So you have just seen what all I have been provided with by the Election Commission of India. Earlier, it wasn't like this, but now the voter IDs come with a registered post. So these are all the contents, as you can see. The voter ID card, the voter guide, that's in Telugu, the elector's pledge, and the congratulation letter. So through this video I am also going to explain as to how you can apply for a voter ID. So how are you going to apply for a voter ID? There are two ways for it. One is online and the other one is offline. At the online method, you have to visit the National Voter Services portal or the Election Commission of India portal to understand how you have to apply for voter ID online. You have to download a form called Form 6, as you can see on your screens. You have to furnish your details, provide your documents, government ID proofs such as your Aadhaar card, PAN card, etc. And also to prove your constituency or residence, you can show your electricity bill. So when it comes to online, you have to do that, and the same exactly goes for offline. When it comes to offline, visit the nearest electoral officer, go near him, take the Form 6, furnish your details in it, present him with your Xerox copy of your Aadhaar card, also take the original with you. Same goes with the electricity bill, take it, also the Xerox also. Without any cost, your voter ID will be registered. Also take 2 passport size photographs with you. So this is the process when it comes to applying for a voter ID. How much time will it take to receive your voter ID? Exactly for me it took 1 month. So in 1 month's time you will be continuously updated, as you can see like this, via your messages, text messages, that your so and so EPIC ID, your application has been approved, it's under process, etc. Updates like that. So this is the method you can use to apply for voter ID. That's all from this video. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video to a large number of people on the occasion of National Voters Day. And also in the coming times, let's apply for a vote. Let's vote for our own government, our representatives, and make India bright. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next